Laying the first panel. Before starting to install the panel, it's necessary to apply an adhesive EPDM seal to the edge of the panel. Apply the adhesive tape to the longer edge of the panel just before its installation. Take care not to obscure the photovoltaic cells when taping. Before placing the panel on the support profiles, remove the wooden battens that form temporary steps. Once the wooden battens have been removed, move on to laying the first panel. Lay the panel starting from the upper edge of the roof. Lift the panel to its final position and place it on the support profiles. The profiles are protected from the top with an EPDM seal, which cushions and prevents the panel from sliding down. Place the panel with its lower edge resting on the protruding metal support clamps.